This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining the core goal and the first edits you will make, because goals shape choices. Once done, scan the lead for clarity, correct major factual errors, and lock the structure. These moves reduce downstream rewrites. Make sure to apply a short rubric, clarity, accuracy, originality, so you can measure improvement quickly. Then make 3 surgical edits. Rewrite the opening sentence, update any wrong fact, and map the paragraph flow. These first actions get the AI writing from vague to useful fast. Once the first edits are complete, move into paragraph-level revision to sharpen argument and flow. You should rewrite topic sentences so each paragraph has a single purpose, then add concrete evidence, examples, numbers, or short quotes to support claims. Make targeted prompts to the model. Ask it to simplify dense sentences, expand on thin points, or alter tone. As you iterate, compare versions and keep the best lines. This detailed execution transforms a rough AI draft into cohesive, persuasive writing. To finish, perform a read aloud pass and polish rhythm, punctuation, and sentence length. You'll catch awkward phrasing that way. Then verify facts, dates, and any figures and ensure tone matches the audience. Adjust word count as needed. If something still feels off, isolate the problematic section and reprompt the AI with precise constraints. Limit length, require sources, or force step-by-step reasoning. A key troubleshooting tip: when hallucinations happen, ask for sourceable claims only and cross-check immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.